Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the EBL 8-pack of rechargeable AA batteries. Let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, first things first, we got our charger right here. Take a look at that. Looks great, plus minus clearly labeled for us. Specs on the back side if you're interested. USB Type-C. EBL's branding on it. User guide and manual. Again, the model number is C708S3L for those that are interested. They'll walk us through the specs with the LED indicator. This can charge AAA batteries as well too, for those that are wondering. Key features, working conditions, how to use it, size and weight, and then everything repeats in multiple languages. Then we have our USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. And then last but not least, we have the batteries right here. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, 1.5 volt. Let's open up the case. Let's take a look at these batteries. All right, let's take a look right here. 3,000 megawatt hours, lithium ion. This is gonna be really high capacity. Rechargeable, low self-discharge, plus minus end. And again, we got the 8-pack, but you could get the 16 count of this as well too if you prefer. Now let's go ahead, charge them up.